beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 8 of 12 days of Vlogmas. Those of you who don't know, my mom is fully Dutch, so I'm half Dutch. So we have a lot of Dutch goodies in our house. This is a Dutch December treat called Kruidnoten. Say it again.
Kruidnoten.
Kruidnoten.
Noten.
Note. Oh, Noten.
There you go.
She is so good at rolling her R's. This is called Kruidnoten.
Oh.
Oh my god, what am I missing? This is Kruidnoten.
No.
What am I missing?
Oh, Noten.
Am I not saying
Kruidnoten.
Kruidnoten?
Oh.
What am I not saying right?
Oh, you say oh.
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 Obviously, I'm struggling with my Dutch a little bit. I used to be fluent, and then someone made fun of me in kindergarten, and I stopped being fluent, and it's my only regret in life. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this with my mom. This is not gonna be necessarily a tutorial. This is just gonna be you coming along with us while we make this. My uncle sent this to me from Holland, so this is not really something you can get here in the States, but I will link down below a link to a website where you can make this from scratch if you want to make this, which I recommend because they're really good. This is what it looks like. Basically, it's like little ginger snap cookies, and you can like cover some of them in chocolate and stuff and make it really good. I used to be fluent in Dutch, and now I can partially understand it. Like, I know what parts of this sentence says, but not all of it. And I will get it back one day. To start, you're gonna need the bag of ingredients that comes in the box, a tub of water, so 2 tablespoons of water, a bowl to mix with, and a wooden spoon. Then you're gonna take your 2 tablespoons of water. Then you're gonna take your wooden spoon and mix that around. So then, once you've finished mixing it with the spoon, you're supposed to knead it with your hands until it forms one cohesive ball of dough. And it looks like this. I promise it's really good though. It is now one ball of dough. So my mom is getting the flour out now because we're gonna use flour to help make it create its tiny little shapes. They're like really small cookies, like bite-sized little ginger snaps. Next step is to put flour down so you can start to make your ginger snap cookie shapes. Mine doesn't roll. How do you get yours to roll? So you have this long strip that's about 20 centimeters long, and you're gonna cut it into 4. So now I made mine, and I'm gonna cut mine into 4s. So then you make these a little longer, the little 4 individual pieces. Okay, now we have our 8 strips, and then now you're gonna cut them into 1 centimeter wide, so 7 little pieces on each strip. She really said a centimeter. And then you're gonna form them into balls. Last one to finish their balls has to take the dogs out tonight.
You're wrong.
Oh shit. Okay, so now you're gonna take your baking sheet with parchment paper on it and all your brown balls, and you're going to do 7 this way and 8 this way. Because you have already preheated your oven to 347 degrees Fahrenheit, it is time to put the balls in the oven. And you put them in for 10 minutes. Okay, so now that the 10 minutes is up, I'm gonna pull them out of the oven, and they're gonna make your house smell really good. And then next, what you're gonna wanna do is take the sheet off of the pan so it doesn't overcook the cookies. And then now you're gonna let them cool down for a bit. They're really good warm.
Did you try it?
I tried one. The shell's crunchy, but the inside's like kind of soft. It's really good. Should I do an ASMR bite for you guys? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's day 8 of 12 days of Vlogmas. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye, beauties.